Hello children, today let us learn a script for a speech. On to the question here. Your school had planned to conduct a farewell to the 10th class students. On behalf of the 9th class students, you are asked to deliver a speech. Now prepare a speech script for the purpose. Focus on greetings, experiences with your seniors, your wishes and gratitude. So on to the speech here. Generally, when we design a speech, there should be some interaction in the middle if it is meant for some people who are younger than us. And while giving a speech, we need to keep in mind our posture and our presence of mind. And generally, children, a speech is always healthy when the content is told on our own. When we look at something and read, it looks very superficial. So we need to build up some concepts in our mind and develop them on the stage. And the expressions on our face are very important because that is what helps the message to be conveyed the right way to the audience. And above all, the eye contact is a must when we give a speech. Now on to the speech here. Good morning everybody. Reverend Principal, respected teachers, beloved seniors and my dear friends, it's my privilege to represent the 9th standard and speak on this occasion. Yes, this is the occasion. This is the farewell day. On this occasion, it's a privilege for me. This is truly a memorable day in every one of our lives, especially our great seniors. Dear seniors, you are the ones who had always been a source of energy and inspiration to all of us. You have been a reliable guide to all of us. Whenever a new work was assigned to us, we always looked up to you and followed your footsteps. You have been our leaders all through these days. Whatsoever our difficulties were, we never felt hesitant to share with you, for you were so friendly in nature and understood our problems and helped to sort them out amicably. Your friendly nature has made us aspire for newer heights each day. Your encouragement to be innovative and creative has enhanced our spirits and made us work harder and longer for the prosperity of our institution. You have been with us all these days, and this is the moment wherein you have to part with us. We would definitely keep remembering you in our prayers. In every accomplishment, we will give the credits to your guidance. You may be away from us, but your ideas will definitely be with us. Your advices and suggestions will definitely be captured in our memories. We are grateful to you for your warmth and affection and the true spirit of leadership. Though we have never thanked you ever before, we are always grateful and we will ever remain thankful to you in the days to come too. We wish you all success and victory in your career and your life. May you be triumphant in all your attempts and may all your dreams come true. Younger may we be, but our wishes are right from the bottom of our heart and those would ever come true. We will ever remember you and we miss you. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity. So this is how you give a speech. A speech needs to be emotive and it should touch the audience. Hope you all understood how to make a speech. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.